Hi, I'm Scott Mackenzie from Barfoot and Thompson. Welcome to my latest market video blog. Welcome back, thanks for watching. My last video blog, as you'll see on my website, was in December. It was a Christmas one, and just to recap, what I said there was that August was the peak in prices, especially on the North Shore at least, and then as we came through October and November, prices were falling, big drop off in open home buyer numbers, and then by the time we got to December, we made quite a few sales because vendors on the market had reduced expectations, and also new vendors to the market, we were able to get their expectations in line with the market. So what's happened this year? Through January and February, for the first 6 or 8 weeks of the year, very, very consistent prices, pretty much at a level we might have thought would have been April, May, maybe even June last year, with properties selling well, one buyer auctions, one bidder, a lot of properties selling straight after auction, if not sold on auction day, and then basically prices holding, and everything's selling for around about what we thought. Sold for around about what we thought, and there weren't many shocks. I've talked about shocks in the past where someone comes into the office and says, wow, did you hear about that one? And it's been the odd one, but not enough for us to move our expectations up and ring vendors and prospective vendors and say, look, we think we can get more for your property. That wasn't really happening. But in the last 2 to 3 weeks, I've noticed a little bit of a shift myself. A number of my properties selling above expectation now, and a lot higher clearance rate at auction, which is great news. The available listings online is dropping away. I've noticed that across the North Shore. A lot of buyers starting to complain that there's not enough to look at. Open home numbers have been improving again, and things are looking good. So what's causing that? Always really hard to know. A lot of factors involved, of course. We have had the Reserve Bank dropping the interest rates again. Fantastic news if you're looking to buy. You can lock in a lot lower now than you could a year ago. The other factor, potentially the Chinese are able to get their IRD numbers through, which became a requirement from 1st of October. And who knows really the level of impact of each of those, but certainly the market's doing really well, things are picking up, and yeah, that was it in a nutshell. Try to keep it quite quick for you this time, and I hope to do more regular ones. So thanks very much for watching.